This motorhome is the Eura Mobil Activa One 690 VB. It's 7 meters in length. It costs around 85,000 euros. It's got a height of 315 centimeters and a width of 235. Now, you could put this vehicle on a 4.4 ton basis, and that would give you well over a ton of, well over a ton, about 1,200, 1,300 kilos of payload. A huge amount. Now, it's got a rather odd layout, and this can carry stacks of people. So if you want to carry stacks and stacks and stacks of people, you can do so. Right, single bed there, single bed there. You got a table here. This is the kiddies' room, I suppose. So it's a family van. Now, you can hear in the background, I've got the press conference going on, and I just heard what you said in the press conference. They have 3 types of vehicles. They've got family, comfort, and luxury. I think they are the words that it used. And also, a lady come in to see me, but she's just seen me and decided that she has seen enough. And anyway, so this is what they call a family. Right now, what one has to bear in mind, of course, that if you've got 6 people in a motorhome which is 7 meters long, the water infrastructure is the same as it would be if it was just me and the dog. So that means to say that you're going to end up having to empty the cassette toilet probably every single day. And it also means that you're going to have to look for water very frequently, unless of course people learn how to use it, in which case you might have to look for it every other day. But the tank, there'll be more details in the description, so I might believe the description rather than what I'm saying off memory. But if I remember rightly, the tank for this is 100 litres. So you've got 6 people in here. Well, you can imagine how long that's going to last. There's your boiler, easy access to the boiler. Sometimes it's necessary if you want to get rid of your water, which you should do if you put the thing in storage. Here we have a fridge. Set for 3-way fridge, and storage above as well. Skylights all the way back, and look at this brilliant large skylight here. You can make a bed from this. There's a double bed, and of course there's this double bed in the cab over up front. Here we have got more storage. Now, the kitchen itself, this is one of the advantages of this shape. It gives you this big amount of space here. You've got 3 burners. It's, I think, a sink. Under here, we've got all of this storage as well. Problem is, it's got a maximum of 15 kilos, but there's plenty of drawers here. There you go. There's your gas for your cooking, your heating, your hot water. I've got to say, I don't like these drawers though at all. Heimer's using the same ones. I think they look naff. That's my opinion. Maybe you think they look great. Now, what we've got here is a flat floor all the way to the back. There we go. Well, and we've got this really deep double floor. So we've got the water tanks under here. Sometimes you might want to get access to your water tanks, and you can do it via here. But if you really feel it's necessary. Okay, the entrance from the cab to the back actually probably could be bigger, but yeah, if it were, then this bed and this rear bench wouldn't be would be small. But notice this: 6 belted positions, 6-person van in 7 meters, just under 7 meters. Up here, the bed's really large, and it's a very wide bed, and you've got this net that should stop you falling out, and there we've got windows at either side which ought to keep the air, let the air out, stops it getting too stuffy. Right, let's have a look down the outside. And we'll have a look at the garage. Now, I do have to say, now people do ask me, largely from countries where younger people tend to buy vans, about 6 people. And so, I mean, 6 people in this van, okay, I think it's a bit of a squash. Whilst I'm down here under the thing, look at the technical infrastructure here, and also the storage space that it gives you. So you can see the van itself's been raised. This double floor will act as insulation at the same time, also because the technical infrastructure, the tanks are down there. So this, I think it's great doing something like this. The disadvantage is that it does burn more fuel the higher it is, which is unfortunate, I think. But there are not many 6-person vans in 7 meters, and I'd have to say that, in my opinion, this is one of the best. So you've got you've got access to the double floor through a hatch there. That's your toilet cassette, and that's for the garage and the gas. And so, what do you think? Is that a van a good idea or not such a good idea? Now, for me, actually, I do like the one over here, which is a rear lounge, 650 centimeters long. That for me is far better. But this one here isn't. It isn't too bad. Right, so thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that of interest. If you did, then you might want to subscribe, and if you didn't, then it's a wonder you got this far. If you want to know how long you have to wait for this van, I think it's fair to say it's currently about 1.5 years. 1.5 years? Why are they bothering to put the things on display? Beats me, I don't know. Anyway, lots more from Caravan Salon. Thanks for watching.